Welcome, tech fans. Today we've got the scoop on Google's upcoming Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Let's jump into the latest details. October will be big for Google enthusiasts, with the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro on the horizon. Leaks have been buzzing, revealing intriguing info as we approach the launch. Pixel 8 offers 128 GB and 256 GB storage options in licorice, peony, and haze shades. But for base model storage boost, it's a no-go. Now, the Pixel 8 Pro is the powerhouse sibling, with storage choices of 128 GB, 256 GB, and a whopping 512 GB. Colors? You've got licorice, porcelain, and sky. Let's dive into the specs. Pixel 8 rocks a 6.17-inch 120Hz display, 50-megapixel main camera, and a snappy next-gen tensor chip. Battery anxiety? Not here. A 4,485 mAh battery supports 24-watt wired and 12-watt wireless charging. For Pixel 8 Pro, a 6.7-inch 120Hz display, the same chipset, the same new main camera, a new 64-megapixel ultra-wide, as well as the same 48-megapixel telephoto and 11-megapixel selfie cameras as the Pixel 7 Pro. As for the price tag, rumors say Pixel 8 might hit $650, $700, while the Pro version might be a premium buy. Exciting times are ahead. Like and subscribe for more tech news. Stay tuned for official announcements. Catch you in the next update.